Hello and welcome to another review. Today I'm back with these Dunk Low Off-White Futura. I got these from HOTKICKS.org. I will link all the information down below as always, so definitely check them out. These are unreleased pairs, so I don't know how accurate I will be on reviewing these. They should have already been released, but they haven't somehow. So yeah, just keep that in mind. Overall, it's a nice looking shoe. They did a great job overall on the shape and the swooshes. I'm gonna go in detail later. So it's quite heavy. It's probably one of the heaviest shoes I've ever owned, like the heaviest dunks I've ever owned. Starting off with swooshes. These are the most perfect swooshes I got in a while. So perfectly cut, good size, nice placement, not too high, not too low. Same for the other side of the shoe. It's very pointy, sharply cut. Yeah, and similar for the other side, as you can see right here too. So swooshes are looking very good. Coming next to the box, it's quite unusual. The box has like holes in it and it's super nice, super reflective and shiny. The next thing we're going to talk about is the stamp in the back. So the stamp is nice and deeply imprinted on both of the pairs. Little stain right there, doesn't matter too much, can easily be washed off. So as I said, stamp's looking pretty nice. Stitching in general, super clean on these. Double stitching as always most of the time. Couldn't find any or spot any stitching flaws, so that's definitely good. As you can tell right there, quality is on point. Not a single stitching flaw. The upper on the toe box is like some type of foil, like plastic foil, but it's feeling pretty premium, not that like cheap plastic or anything. Besides that, you have the blue leather, which is also feeling pretty soft. So it's a nice shoe, quality wise. Same for the other side. You got some little wrinkles, but if you wear them, it doesn't matter too much. Like wrinkles and creases, yeah, you won't spot them if you wear them. You also got like a little off-white zip tie, as always. I don't know if you can see it that well. It just I'm gonna remove it anyways. Shoelaces, the print on them is pretty nicely done. It's not like a cheap print, as you can see. I don't think it will peel off after a while. Tongue tabs looking good. Nike off-white look. I don't know how accurate these are, if the placement is right or anything. Couldn't find more detailed pictures on the internet, but it's looking pretty nice. Stitching is good, size is good, so it's not too thick, just like a thin leather one. Also inside pull tab looking pretty clean. Next up you have these like orange, I don't know if you call them laces, but yeah, they look like laces, which are connected through pull tabs. Coming to the signature on the side, little part of the off-white is missing, but not a big of a deal. Overall it's looking super clean. It's nicely printed, placement is good as far as I can tell. Same for the other pair, looking even better. So these are pretty spot on as far as I can tell. Next up we're gonna take a look at the heel pods. As I already mentioned, I got these from HOTKICKS.org, so definitely make me a favor and check them out. Super nice service as always, fast shipping, less than 2 weeks. Here you can see the sole of the shoe, it's looking pretty nice. It's like transparent and has the Futura signature in it. Let's take a look at the back part. It's not embroidery this time, it's like a stamp. It's not as deep as the other stamp, but also feels pretty nicely done, so can't peel off or anything. Looking quite good. As I said, got these from HOTKICKS.org. Definitely check them out. And yeah, see you next time. Stay tuned for another review. Bye bye.